Hi, this will be a short tutorial on showcasing what EmbedGH is capable of. So EmbedGH came from an idea where you can embed your Grasshopper files within your Rhino 3DM files. So here I have a blank Rhino file which doesn't have anything, and now I will promptly open up a Grasshopper instance which I've made. Here it is. So it has loaded. And here on the right side, you'll see the EmbedGH UI. So when I click the button, it will prompt me to pick the Grasshopper file that I want to embed in. So here I will select the one that I've opened, and it will ask you to overwrite or create a copy with the embedded version. For now, in order to share the file with the other collaborators, I will create a copy. And it created already a copy with the file in the correct folder location, and it named it EmbedGH test with the embedded prefix. In the folder structure, which I can show you, I see the file that it has created. So here is the file that it has created, and now when I open this file, here I have opened up the embedded file, and in the EmbedGH UI, it already sees that the file has an embedded Grasshopper file. So whenever I click on the button, it will say the embedded Grasshopper file has been built, and it will be saved automatically to where the original file has been saved. And this we can clarify and confirm in the folder location where the embedded file has also been built. We will see when we drag the file that it has built that it is the same file that we have saved or embedded